Coronavirus. Like many viruses, it uses a protein on its surface to attach to and enter our cells. Antibodies that fit onto this protein can block the virus from attaching. Coronavirus mRNA vaccines teach our immune system to make these antibodies. How do mRNA vaccines do that? mRNA is a genetic material that instructs our cells to produce proteins. The mRNA in the vaccine is wrapped in a layer of fat particles that protect it and help it get taken up by specialized cells of the immune system called dendritic cells. Once inside these cells, the mRNA does not enter the cell's nucleus or interact with DNA, but remains in the cytoplasm with other mRNA molecules, waiting to create the enzymes our body needs. When ribosomes read the vaccine mRNA, pieces of the viral surface protein are made. These pieces are then displayed on the surface of the dendritic cell. The dendritic cell travels to a nearby lymph node, where it presents the surface proteins to other cells of the immune system. Some of these cells, called helper T cells, train B cells how to make antibodies that will fit perfectly onto the surface protein of the virus. Other cells stimulated by the protein pieces, called cytotoxic T cells, can kill virus-infected cells. Now, when the coronavirus tries to infect us, our immune system is ready, immediately recognizing, neutralizing, and destroying it before we ever even have a chance to become sick.
Umbrella Corporation. Our business is life itself.
Human viruses are highly adapted to growing in human cells. These viruses reproduce thousands of times in human cells, gaining access using specific receptors that match molecules on cell surfaces. Like athletes, they get stronger and stronger by continually training under the same conditions. And yet, it's this very strength that makes it possible to weaken the virus. This weakening is the key to making live vaccines. How do scientists make this kind of vaccine? By forcing the virus to grow in different kinds of cells in the lab. In these chick embryo cells, most of the virus particles that were so good at growing in humans can't access the chick cells. But with sheer numbers on their side, a few virus particles are able to unlock the chick cells, infect them, and begin adapting to this new environment. The virus adapts by modifying its genes, but there's a price to pay. As the virus gets better and better at growing in the chick cells, it gets worse and worse at growing in our cells. Now, when reintroduced to the human body as a vaccine, these modified or weakened viruses have a hard time infecting human cells. The virus multiplies less efficiently, giving the immune system the time it needs to gather information about the virus and mount an antibody response. The vaccine provides immunity to natural infection without making us pay the price of natural infection.
Umbrella Corporation. Our business is life itself.
Access granted. Welcome to Umbrella. I am Red Queen.
Attention all Umbrella Corporation personnel. This is a critical announcement. We have experienced a containment breach in the Raccoon City biotech facility. I repeat, a containment breach has occurred in the Raccoon City biotech facility. It is imperative that all Raccoon City personnel evacuate the premises immediately. The safety of all Umbrella Corporation personnel is our highest priority. A containment breach poses a serious risk. We cannot stress enough the importance of following evacuation procedures promptly and efficiently. Failure to do so may result in severe consequences. We are currently mobilizing emergency response teams to assess the situation in the Raccoon City facility. It is crucial that you cooperate fully with the instructions provided by these teams and do not obstruct their work. Your cooperation and adherence to safety protocols will greatly assist in resolving this incident swiftly and efficiently.